All right, guys, welcome back. Davis Auto Sales in Richmond, Virginia. Doing a little checkout procedure of a truck that's sold. Customer's actually flying in to pick this one up, but we put a lot of extra effort in our prep process before vehicle leaves. Even though this truck's been through our shop, it's been checked over, we still like to go over it one more time when somebody's traveling near or far. It doesn't matter, especially when it's a tow truck, because there's a lot of features. If you're watching this on Davis Drives, our main channel, be sure, if you're into tow trucks, or if you don't like my voice and you like walk around videos where I'm not talking, our other channel on Davis Auto Sales is a little bit more plain, I would say, but it also will give you all the details on any of the videos. Typically it's one of my guys walking around doing the video, but it's still very informative, and it still will show you the vehicle just like you're here in person. This particular truck's a 2019 4500 heavy duty Cummins turbo diesel Ram. Not sure where this one's going, 3 or 4 states away. Customers headed this way. We're gonna pick them up at the airport. So what we're doing now is just doing a light check, a run over of all the lights, mainly checking the strobes and other extra features. We're also gonna fire the truck up, just make sure the PTO's engaging. This is an auto grip system, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to make sure, PTO's working, and, all the fold features are working properly. And that way, he's going to be good to go when he gets home. Things do happen, these cables break, it gets pressure washed, something gets wet, all kinds of things can take place. So our main thing on this, which is one of my big pet peeves, is to check the simple things. Do the door locks work? This key is the whole key to the vehicle, so if this is battery dead, I don't mind putting a $10 battery in it or whatever it costs. Another pet peeve is it's low on fuel, so my man behind the camera is going to have to go get some fuel in it, because it should not be ready for sale and not have fuel. Making sure the beacon light works. Another thing with beacon lights people don't realize, or lights in general, and we just had this discussion with a customer that's purchasing a different truck from us today. He's in a state where blue and red are their beacon colors. Well, here in Virginia, blue and red are police colors. It is illegal to run blue and red lights. Depending on where these trucks come from, sometimes they have it. We switch them for amber. We switch amber for blue and red. We try to accommodate the customer. This customer's in luck. We just had a customer come in and swap bars, so we have a red and blue bar in stock, so we're going to swap him out to accommodate him. So that's one other thing we want to run over, because we do forget it, and the customer forgets it. If you're in a state where you have red and blue, you just assume everything's supposed to be red and blue. They get home, use it, figure it out, it doesn't work, and there we go, we got a problem. So anyway, Cummins turbo diesel, Ram 4500, a couple trucks rolling in here. Everything has checked out through its process. Oil's been changed, fuel filter's been changed, inspection's been done. We've done our walk around, so I'm very comfortable with it to leave. And as soon as they put some fuel in it, and we also make sure it has DEF fluid, anything else. If the customer, another thing, and AJ, which just pulled up one of those trucks, goes over these trucks ahead of time, puts it over in the warehouse where we keep all our equipment. He's already been through it to make sure the customer has the straps he wants, the cables he wants, anything additional that he wants to carry with him, and our safety gear kit is in there. So we've already loaded it with all that stuff. He's already checked off on it. Customer knows what to expect and knows what he's getting. So like I said, check it out. Be sure, if you're on the one channel, to be on the other, or vice versa. You probably find that some of the content's a little better one way or the other. But Davis Auto Sales, Richmond, Virginia. Davis Drives on YouTube. Davis Auto Sales, I think Davis Auto Sales 1 for our YouTube.
Davis Auto Sales VA.
Davis Auto Sales VA, I am corrected. So that's how you can find us on there. And then also Davis Off-Road channel that Daniel handles a lot of. Be sure you're checking that one out. They're very busy. We're getting ready for some events. You'll see some of that content coming. So he's not able to upload as often, but be sure to check that channel out too. Thank you guys. We appreciate everything. Ram's getting ready to head out to its new home, and man's getting a really nice truck. So thank you guys for watching. Just wanted y'all to see our little process and how it goes.